Isang Chinese restaurant favorite naman yung gagawin natin today. Ito with added tips to have restaurant quality results. Beef with broccoli. Let's start cooking. This recipe is part of the Simpol Dishkarte cookbook. Now available in Lazada, Shopee, National Bookstore, and Fully Booked. So ito, meron tayong beef. Ang ginawa natin sa beef, ito. Cut across the grain and pounded. No? Pinitpit natin siya para maging malambot. Another way also to make sure that your beef is tender is to add a little bit of baking soda. So I will do that. So I will add just a bit of baking soda. This is around 1 teaspoon for every kilo. So konti lang because if it's too much, it will become bitter. Ayaw naman natin ng bitter. We will season it with a little bit of soy sauce. Around a tablespoon. The rest we will leave for our sauce. And cornstarch. Cornstarch is very important. We want to coat the meat in cornstarch kasi yung ginagawa natin, we are creating a nice coat outside para mag-absorb ng oil while we saute our beef. Yan, mix natin. Put it aside. If you want to add a bit of pepper, which I will do, I will just add a bit of black pepper. Mix. And let it rest. In the meantime, I have a pot of boiling water. Broccoli, ang problema mo pag nagluluto ka ng broccoli, ito, ginigisa mo diretso, di ba? Nangyayari, the surface only touches the outer part of your broccoli. So, nangyayari, hilaw yung loob, luto yung labas. So, ang diskarte natin dito is to blanch our vegetables. So, we will add it there. Let it blanch for a few minutes. Let's cook it for 30 seconds. Very fresh looking, oh. Nag-iba na talaga, no? And yung salt natin, dapat enough yung ating salt. No? Huwag tayong magtipid ng salt so that it also flavors our broccoli. And ito, meron tayong ice cold water. The purpose of this is to stop the cooking. So, galing sa mainit, no? Mainit yung ating pot. And if you leave it hot, tatanggalin natin siya, no? Tatanggalin mo siya, then iiwan mo siya na mainit. It will continue to cook. So, magiging overcooked din siya. So, the water at a cooler temperature is just meant to stop the cooking process. And it will stay beautifully vibrant green. Yung pag-shock natin sa cold water is ideal kung hindi mo man siya lutuin agad. So for example, you do this ahead of time, no? And you keep it in your chiller. So ito siya, all the time, for 2 days, for 3 days, meron ka na ready to use broccoli anytime, no? And we will make our sauce so simple. Of course, discard natin para hindi tayo magkamali pag gumawa tayo ng sauces. We are using chicken stock here. Of course, you can use water, pero less masarap siya, no? Soy sauce, oyster sauce, linamnam, sugar to balance, and as our thickener, cornstarch, no? So we use cornstarch here, pero kung gusto mong mas maganda yung texture, another diskarte is to use potato starch, no? Everything is dissolved, everything is ready. Look at that, no? Ready and ready, no? Katabi na yung ating mga ingredients na kailangan. And ito, ang ating igigisa. Before uminit yung ating mantika, lalagay na natin yung ating garlic. Why? We want to toast it, no? Pag binigla natin sa init, mangyayari, masusunog yung ating garlic, but the moisture inside is still trapped. And ang aking garlic, bago masunog, malapit na siya masunog. Yan. Put it aside. This will be our topping. So, using our garlic-infused oil, it's time to cook our beef. And you will notice, di ba, pag nagluluto ka ng ganito, gisa-gisa, when you add your beef, immediately, in a few minutes, ano nangyayari? Nagtutubig, no? The beef releases moisture. Kaya, nangyayari, instead naging stir-fry, nagiging nilaga, no? Nagiging braised yung ating beef, no? And we add our ginger, onions, minced white onions, our beef, oh, cooking very nicely, oh, and our sauce, which is already pre-mixed. Mix everything there. Medyo saucy yung ginagawa natin, but very easy and simple. Now, we will add our black pepper. And to finish, we're adding sesame oil to give it that very nice Chinese restaurant aroma. What you do is you add your broccoli. Gagawin ko, I will toss it. So, pwede ding deconstructed. And it's done. Look at that. Ang ganda, no? The vegetables are warmed up. We're ready to plate. Look at that, no? Parang kumain ka sa Chinese restaurant. Wala pang tipid sa beef and broccoli. Oh my God. And we will finish with our fried garlic. Eto na siya. Di ba kayo natatakam? And it's time for me to taste. Now, taste test tayo. Beef natin if it's tender. Super tender. A very simple recipe you should master. And you can make all sorts of variations out of this base recipe. And a lot of people will love you. And eto na siya, ating recipe for today. Beef with broccoli. Simple!